Hey, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Imran. He's helped me with many tasks, some of them way over my head. And every single time he's delivered exactly what I needed fast. From strange bugs to performance issues and tricky back end stuff, he always seems to find a solution. And I'm especially grateful for the work he's done on a project of mine called AgTech. And it was a very special project to me. And it had some really strange problems that probably would have taken me days to untangle. And Imran knocked it out with clear, calm communication and zero drama. Like I said, he's incredibly easy to work with, super responsive, and honestly just a kind, good human being. It's rare for me to find somebody this reliable, this likable, and who also makes the process so smooth. So all that to say, if you're thinking about hiring Imran, do it. You won't regret it, and I can't wait to send more projects his way.